Good morning everyone. I'm Ms. Ritu Mehra from SLS DAV Public School, Mosaviyar. Today I'm going to make a fantastic snacks of a potato. It's a baby boiled potatoes which we are going to fry, and we are going to pour the sauce over it, which we will make with the fantastic and lovely immunity boosting ingredients. I will just show you here. This is the baby potato. This is the basin which we call Bengal gram. These are the curry leaves, curry patta. These are the cashews, broccoli. These are the basil leaves and the paste of ginger and garlic. First of all, okay, one more thing. This is the turmeric, haldi. This is the salt, and this is the paprika. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to roast the Bengal gram. This is the basin. We all know the basin it's very good immunity boosting capacity. We are going to roast it here, and we are going to roast it on the same gas so that the color of the basin doesn't change. It doesn't become the black. So the black may not give any bad flavor, but the color is going to be affected, which we will not like when we are serving it in front of the guests. So that beautiful sauce, the gravy sauce of the coconut milk, when it will come out with the beautiful color of turmeric, it's going to look fantastic. Just look at it. I have roasted this Bengal gram, and I'm going to transfer it to my mixie jar. Sorry. I have selected my basin here in this jar. I will later tell you what to do. Right now I'm going to put this pan on heat, and I'm going to add a little bit of oil into it. Let this oil get heated up. I will be adding the curry leaves into it. I will be using 2-3 peppercorns, which is the black pepper we call. Now I'm adding this ginger garlic paste into it, and I'm going to stir fry. Okay. After this stir fry, I'm going to add this broccoli into it, and we'll let it be a little cooked in this. Meanwhile, in this Bengal gram basin, I'm going to add the coconut milk. I'm going to add into it. I'm not using the entire packet. I'm using the half packet because I'm making one portion only. And I will add the cashews into this jar. And I will add a little salt, paprika, and the turmeric powder. Meanwhile, we have to take care of this also, which is there in the pan, the broccoli. Now I'm going to churn it. Now it is mixed well, and meanwhile our broccoli is also slightly cooked. I'm going to add this paste into the pan, and we need to add a little bit of water also so that we can dilute it. We will shake a little with the water, you can see, and we will add it here in it. Now we are going to stir fry it and we are going to shake it till the gravy is not getting smooth. Now meanwhile these baby potatoes I'm going to fry. I'm going to press them gently. You can see this is the baby potato. I'm going to fry them. We are going to use the boiled potatoes into it because boiled potatoes is convenient and less time consuming and less oil goes into it when we are frying. But yes, if you like the boiled flavor, you can simply press them and place them in a dish and you can pour the sauce. But yes, definitely when we fry it and we make it crispy, it gives a better flavor. Yes, and a better quantity of oil also. So we will boil them here.